In this video, we are going to see the answers of 7th Standard Science Workbook under Term 2, Unit 4, Worksheet number 10. Topic is Cell Biology. First Roman letter, multiple choice questions. First question, plant cell wall is mainly made up of dash. Answer is option A, cellulose. Second question, the organelle that controls all the processes and chemical reactions that takes place inside the cell, which generally is referred as control center of the cell, is dash. Answer is option D, nucleus. Third question, select the group of organisms which has cell wall in their cell structure. Answer is option C, bacteria, fungi and plants. Fourth question, find the organelle which is present only in animal cell which helps to separate the chromosome during cell division. Answer is option B, centriole. Second Roman letter, fifth question, match the following. First is A, the material present both inside and outside of the nuclear membrane. Answer is option B, protoplasm. Then second question, the fluid present inside the nucleus. Answer is option 3, nuclear fluid or nucleoplasm. Then C, the fluid present outside of the nucleus. Answer is option 1, cytoplasm. Third Roman letter, fill in the blanks. Sixth question, complete the following. இங்க human bodyக்குள்ள இருக்கதை கேட்டிருக்காங்க, fill பண்ணுங்க. This is organism, this is organ system, this is organ, this is tissue and this is cell. Seventh question, observe, identify and write the name of the organelles given below. Based on their function, find out which is food processor and food producer. This is chloroplast and this is lysosome. Name of the organelle chloroplast, அது வந்து food producer. So அதோட explanation இங்க இருக்கு. Chloroplasts are the only cell organelles that can produce food from the sun energy. Then B, name of the organelle is lysosome, that is food processor. Lysosomes are the main digestion compartments of the cell. They lyse a cell, hence they are called suicidal bag. Eighth question, X and Y are the substances present in two animal cells, A and B. John placed these two cells, A and B, in some water to test the selective permeability of the cell membrane. After few minutes, John removed the cells from the water and examined them under a microscope. This is cell A before placed in water. This is cell A after removed from water. And cell B before placed in water. Cell B after removed from water. Based on these observations, John came to the following conclusions. First is, the cell membrane of a cell A is thicker than cell B. Then B, substance Y cannot pass through the cell membrane of cell B. Then C, the cell membrane of cell A allows both substances X and Y to pass through. Then D, substances Y is able to pass through the cell membrane of cell A at a faster rate than that of cell B. Which of the above conclusions made by John are incorrect? Answer is option C, A, B and D only. Ninth question, complete the following table by writing the name of the cell organelle based on the structure and function mentioned below. இங்கே செல் ஆர்கனலோட ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் அண்ட் ஃபங்க்ஷன் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க, அதை வச்சுட்டு செல்லோட பார்ட்ஸ் என்னெல்லாம்னு சொல்லிட்டு எழுத சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஒன் இஸ் transmit genetic information from one generation to another. Answer is nucleus. Then second one, jelly-like substance in the cell. Answer is cytoplasm. Third question, stores material within the cell, that is vacuole. Then fourth, selectively permeable, allows only certain substances to pass in and out of the cell. Answer is cell membranes. Third Roman letter, assertion or reason. 10th question, assertion, an apple is red in color. Reason, the cells of apple contain leucoplast. Answer is option C, A is correct but B is incorrect. Fourth Roman letter, answer briefly. 11th question, look at the given animal cell structure carefully. Some vital organelles are missing. Find out, draw and label the missing organelles. அனிமல் செல் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. அதில் சம் ஆர்கனல்ஸ் வந்து மிஸ்ஸிங் ஆகிருக்குன்னு சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. அதை ட்ரா பண்ணி டோட்டல் அனிமல் செல்லுக்கு வந்து பார்ட்ஸ் மார்க் பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. இதில் இருக்க மாதிரி ட்ரா பண்ணிக்கோங்க. திஸ் இஸ் மைட்டோகாண்ட்ரியா அண்ட் திஸ் இஸ் சென்ட்ரியோல். தென் திஸ் இஸ் எண்டோபிளாஸ்மிக் ரெக்டிகுலம். தென் திஸ் இஸ் நியூக்ளியஸ் and this is cytoplasm. Then this is plasma membrane and this is Golgi apparatus. 12th question. With reference to the given statement, label the part plasmodesmata in the given figure. Statement: each cell is interconnected with its neighboring cells through opening called plasmodesmata. So in the given figure la plasmodesmata எங்க இருக்குன்னு சொல்லிட்டு மார்க் பண்ண சொல்லிருக்காங்க. இந்த ஓப்பனிங் தான் வந்து பிளாஸ்மோடெஸ்மேட்டா. ஸோ மார்க் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. தென் திஸ் இஸ் செல் வால் அண்ட் திஸ் இஸ் சைட்டோபிளாசம் அண்ட் திஸ் இஸ் வேக்வெல். 13th question. Draw the structure of nucleus within the given outline and label the following parts. நியூக்ளியஸோட ஸ்ட்ரக்சர் ட்ரா பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்காங்க இந்த அவுட்லைனுக்குள்ளே. தென் இந்த பார்ட்ஸ் எல்லாத்தையும் லேபிள் பண்ண சொல்லியிருக்காங்க அதுக்குள்ளே. திஸ் இஸ் நியூக்ளியர் போர்ஸ். Next is nuclear membrane. So this is nuclear membrane, this part. Then this is nucleus and this is nucleoplasm and this is chromatin reticulum.